Let me tell you a crazy fact about the moose. As big as they can dive up to 30 feet underwater. That's about 6 meters deep. These massive animals can weigh up to 700 kilograms, which is over 1500 pounds. They aren't just giants of the forest, they are also expert divers. Why do they dive? Because sometimes there's no food left on land. Everything is covered in snow. So they jump into freezing lakes to find plants growing underwater. A moose rip up things like water lilies and pondweed from the bottom of lakes. They even close their nostrils to keep water out. It's like nature gave them a built-in scuba gear. It's wild. The king of the forest becomes a submarine.